5 Space. Technologies that humans are expected to achieve in the future. 1. Antimatter. Spacecraft. Antimatter is the anti-state of normal matter. When positive matter and antimatter meet, the two sides cancel each other out and drown, and they will convert the matter into energy. It is calculated that the speed of the spacecraft, fueled by antimatter, can reach 15% of the light foot if antimatter can be mass-produced, and the problem of storage can be solved in the future. It will only take 28 years for humans to reach Proxima Centauri 4.2 light-years away, 2 empty elevators put down, a cable that can be connected to the ground in the space station. The cable is firmly under the ground adjustment, providing power for the elevator to transport people and goods. If the problem of cable strength can be completely solved in the future, then this technology is theoretically achievable, and the cost of space elevators is much lower than that of transportation rockets. Third, nuclear fusion rockets. Rockets that use interstellar fusion, gas as fuel to propel rockets forward. In a nuclear fusion reaction, nuclei are forced to fuse together and generate huge amounts of energy as the power to propel rockets. Once this technology is realized, the rocket will reach a maximum flight speed of 10% of the speed of light. Most importantly, his fuel hydrogen is everywhere in the clouds between the stars. So in theory, nuclear fusion rockets will never need to worry about fuel. 4. And pulse propulsion. Simply put, this can be seen as regularly detonating nuclear bombs behind the vehicle to propel forward as power. According to the scientists' research, the nuclear pulse propulsion device requires not only the construction of a huge laser absorber, but also a special layer of radiation flat bottom to protect the safety of the interior of the vehicle. From a technical point of view, this kind of interstellar travel is completely feasible, but scientists need to consider how to minimize the risk. Theoretically, a spacecraft powered by a nuclear explosion can reach 15% of the speed of light. Nanoflyer. Nanoflyer is made up of a 2-3 centimeter chip as the fuselage. It is a space exploration vehicle with functions such as cameras, thrusters, and navigation. A spot of light outside the chip is used to absorb energy and move forward. Due to the small mass of the vehicle, the speed can be increased to 20% of the speed of light under the continuous acceleration of the laser. This means that the Nanoflyer can catch up with Voyager 1 in less than a week and reach Proxima Centauri in 20 years. If the above technologies are realized, human star travel will experience tremendous changes.